as we move into Leo. And the next thing as well, not to boast on it, but it's my Earth Strong in a couple of days. You know? So big up everyone. It's nice to share it with the ones on one. You know? The eyes are show you them. Alright then, you ready for Zion Land? Yeah. Run that one, select. Hey. A little different something, yeah? Yo. Trotting onto Zion Land, suited up like Iron Man, ready for the Gideon in case they try to spy on man. Inspired of a lion man, too many try they try on man. But the conquering lion is the reigning champion. Trotting onto Zion Land, really in the diaphragm. No map, no diagram in the DNA of everyone. Trotting onto Zion Land, onto Zion Land. Run in a lion paw, scripture in the other hand. Silent is where I'm headed. Rest in my heart and my air is dreaded. Full cigar in my mind embedded. These zones never unleaded. Imagine I had the dream of John Lennon. We found us on steam and stop begging. Letting the whole team from my dip one legged. Loose foot jeans when I wear no leggings. Silent is where I'm headed. Anywhere in the world I'm treaded. The beds of my head gon' be fear and dreaded. Tear my material down and headed. Still silent is where I'm headed. Final plan there with the 4 minutes. The central of plane that is angelic. Zion Land, suited up like Iron Man. Ready for this Gideon in case they trap is spy on man. Conspire of a lion man. Many try they try on man. But the conquering lion is the reigning champion. Joining onto Zion Land, breathing in the diaphragm. Need no map, no diagram in the DNA of everyone. Joining onto Zion Land. Zion Land, run in with lion paw, scripture in the other hand. Contact being philosophers, artists and photographers, inventors and astronomers. I come to the thermometer, thinkers with authority, royalty and monarchy. Need the right environment for us to flourish accordingly. They only want a higher man, for food of them fireman. Seller and we buyer man, middleman and supplier man. But we can't get an higher than the Indian white and the Chinese man. From 19 hours long. Lord, we sick and tired man. Trotting onto Zion Land, really in the diaphragm. Trotting onto Zion Land, aya. Trotting onto Zion Land, Zion Land. Trotting onto Zion Land, trotting onto Zion Land, trotting onto Zion Land, trotting onto Zion Land, Zion Land, trotting onto Zion Land. Hackney. Next one, select. So we're trotting, yeah? And as we know, we step into the Leo season, one real quickly. Selassie, I live, so I show that to the youngers and the kids. Whether you're rich or underprivileged, give him thanks and eyes. Backbiters attempt to fight us. In the meantime, we keep it righteous and show faith in the face of crisis. Recognize who Rasta Christ is. EXO-D to the U to the S. There's no denying, it's a lie. My culture's dying, can't die here, I'm multiplying. So close on the road to Zion. No more pain, no more tears, no crying. The Rasta lion can't mistake for the life of Brian. He's the return of Rastafari. She's the return of Rastafari. We're the return of Rastafari. I. I'm the return of Rastafari. He's the return of Rastafari. We the return of Rastafari. I. Alright, so we got 2 more before we go, real quickly. Rastafari. Alright, so the next one is guinea pig. You know why? Because we wrote this one back in 2020 and they was trying to take man for guinea pig them time then. You know? So man had to, we have a word, power and sound and fight the injustice. And the next one, selector. Guinea pig, that's who we really is. Big Brother TV series is, or at least it's what the theory is. Guinea pig, for the social scientists, got me as the guinea pig, and they got me furious, serious. Guinea pig, for the doctors, Zionists, he's me as the guinea pig, and then the wicked science test. Guinea pig, when I want to see any pig, when I want to see we live and treat us like we're invalids. Guinea pig, they don't let we live, but I'll run around in circles looking like an idiot. Not significant, like we're not significant. Paycheck to paycheck, desperate to pick it up. Find a bank and stick it up. Find a bricks and lick the truck. Every mickle make a muckle, but this little's not enough. Pressure pop on top of us, by time we make our exodus. When our backs against the wall, what more you all expect from us? Guinea pig, guinea pig. All it really is, we run a TV series, here's a release, it's not the theory, it's guinea pig, guinea pig. For the social scientists, but we as their guinea pig. And then wicked science test, guinea pig, guinea pig. Lift up that one, selector. Lift up that one at me. Cut that one for me at me. Alright, we got, what you want before I go? You want a lie or you want mercy? Which one you want? You want a lie or you want mercy? What we saying, people there? A lie? Or we want mercy?
Mercy.
You can do both.
Alright. Which one you want first? A lie or mercy? We got a lie. Come. Mix them up. You ready? Can I stand on this? You gonna rock?
Wow. Watch out.
Yo, you ready? Boom. Them boy there, I lie, not one of them can compare. I lie, yeah, I lie. No word of a lie, I swear I lie. Till the day that I die, the on the front line, I'll be there. I lie. Last man standing there, one finger in the air. I lie. Them boy there, I lie, not one of them can compare. I lie, yeah, I lie. No word of a wheel. Lift up that when I come against the laptop. It's so nice in my place, yeah. This one's from the Pilgrim EP, yeah? All 2024 works, Skyline Streamer. Give thanks for the gathering of souls. Yo, yeah. Them boy there, I lie, not one of them can compare. I lie, yeah, I lie. No word of a lie, I swear I lie. Till the day that I die, up on the front line, I'll be there. I lie. Lost man standing there, one finger in the air. I lie. Them boy there, I lie, not one of them can compare. I lie, yeah. No word of a lie, I swear. Till the day that I die, up on the front line, I'll be there. Lost man standing there, two dumb fingers in it. I relied on the money under my bed for the times I was hungry. I'm without bread, no kind of like every on my spread. But they still mention man when I'm dead. For the last 10 years, I'm on the secret. I found and I numbered, but still killing the full 100. Them skin just like a sunbed. Them boy there, I lie, no one of them can compare. I lie, yeah, I lie. No word of a lie, I swear I lie. Till the day that I die, up on the front line, I'll be there. I lie. Lost man standing there, two dumb fingers in the air. I lie. Cut that one, selector. Cut that one. If you've had a good time, everything I say, I want you to say, yeah. Is that okay, yeah? There's a natural mystic in the air. Yeah. Anybody got a Rizzler spare? Yeah. Mind if I build it up in air? So I could put a little natural mystic in the air? Yeah. Anybody got a lighter there? Yeah. Mind if I spark it up in air? Yeah. Big up man like Baba Blackstar up in here. Big up all the people in the family up in here. Yeah. Alright, cool. Give us the last one. Give me the mercy. Let me hop down and get humble for this one before I wrap up myself. Robert, I roll 140. Out right now, I got streamer. Take off my glasses for this one. Sincere. Yo, Lord have mercy. Let me get out this simple and desperate and the thirsty. Keep my heart and soul because I know my hand are dirty. Every year still live to see another anniversary. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy for the hell we feed the homeless and the hungry and chase all the evil out the country. Pop, pop. Draw the pumpy, one gun shot for every undie. Chase all the evil out the country and clean it up. Come again, selector. We are the one. Come again. So nice, you must play twice. Yeah. Big up all the artists that come on tonight. As I said, give thanks for the gathering of souls. When two or more gather in truth, then the Almighty is dead. Mercy, let me get a blessing for the desperate and the thirsty. Clean my heart and soul because I know my hands are dirty. Every year still live to see another anniversary. Lord of mercy, hey, Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy for the help me. Feed the homeless and the hungry and chase all the evil out the country. Pump, pump. To the pumpy, one lunch up for every Andy. Clean water for all the thirsty and guide every pilgrim on his journey. God this world is merciless, filled with filth and dirtiness. Cleanse us with your holiness, start cleansing extra godliness. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Bless my wife and kidney. When they say Lord of mercy, let me get a blessing for them desperate and the thirsty. Clean my heart and soul because I know my hands are dirty. Every year still live to see another anniversary. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Yeah, over everything, just put the Father first. Bless me and make me so you know they cannot curse me. Do you hear my prayer like I in the Father prayer sheet? Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy for my sins and have mercy for my kin. God, the world is full of things. Take the soul in for the gems. Catch a couple wins and then get murdered for your skin. So we make a joyful noise at Sunday service singing hymns. If I see my brother stranded, then I cannot bring him in. Everywhere I look around the world, they're killing him. So Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Bless my wife and pick me. We're missing on the mercy. Every get a blessing from the desperate and the thirsty. Clean my heart and soul because I know my hand is dirty. Every year still live to see another anniversary. 30. People there, my name is Rebels in the Rebel. We give thanks for health and strength. We give thanks for the gathering. Welcome to completed. Thank you everyone that's contributed. Peace, love, and respect. I am God. Let me just say that Rago Zulu Rebel, one of the best MCs, a proper MC. He ain't just a rapper, he's a fucking MC. So big up that. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother.
Yo, big up for Rago Zulu Rebel, amazing. Guys,